Welcome to the Ranking Factory software setup. We are in Toolbox. Here's all your tools, and we're coming across to HTML Creator. And by default, it's set on Cloud Stacker. And we want to come down to the second menu tab and click on Cloud Accounts. And this one is setting up Microsoft's Azure. I've gone to azure.microsoft.com, and if you already have an account, you can click on My Account or click on Portal and log in. We are going to click on Start Free and Start Free again, and this will redirect you to sign in to Microsoft. I'm going to use a business email address and enter your password. And it wants you to keep signed in. I don't want to. It signed me in. So use an existing subscription. So you go to the Azure portal. Okay, we're now in the Azure portal. And we want to come to Create Resources. There's a Create a Resource over here. We'll click on the one in the center. And we are working with storage. So come down and click on Storage. And then here is the information that we need at the top. It's storage account, blob file, table, and queue. So we'll click on the link at the top. And we want to give it a name. No uppercase and no spaces. Deployment model, we'll leave it as Resource Manager. I think we can leave everything else as is. And I'll just copy this name here and paste it in the bottom. And this is a new resource group. This is a free trial. You can pin it to your dashboard if you wish. I'm not sure what the benefit is, so we'll just click on Create. And it's giving us a progress over here. So I'm just going to come back here and click on All Resources and the Azure Karen account I just set up. There's another part to the setup, and you're going to click on under All Resources. Click on the name of the storage account that you want to work with. So you want to come down the side menu here and go down to Blob Service and click on Containers. Then you come up here and click on the plus sign beside Container, and you're going to add a container, and you're going to set the access level to Container Anonymous Read Access for containers and blobs. And click OK. So here is your bucket. You're then going to take your access key connecting string. I just went up the side menu here and clicked on access keys, and you're going to copy your connecting string. Open up your Ranking Factory software and paste the connection string in here. So you want to give it a name, and the name has no SEO value, so it's just for your information. Okay, and click on Add Azure Account, and here it is. So that wraps up this tutorial.